Good morning. This is our first tutorial. Okay, we have our sound to get you motivate for our um, mic condenser. Okay, so our first app for tutorial is the port state control checklist. So this is very good. So we just put a little bit sound. Okay, so in key checklist for our apps. So the introduction is the uh, description of these apps. So port state control for the N key, and N key is the classification society. Okay, if you see the port state deficiency or port state control, so you see in our apps, Australia, Italy, Indonesia, those are countries. Okay? Thank you very much. So this is our mic condenser so that you will not be bored in our online class. So there are a lot of detectable deficiency. Category ISM, emergency system, life-saving appliances, type of deficiency. Okay. So if your ship is not well maintained and the port state control will be boarded, then the detention of some uh, deficiency will be put in classification society. For example, this is the NKey. This is the classification society bulletin. Okay, PC bulletin. So number one, if you click that one, you see the reports. Okay, if you zoom in, so that is the report. United Coast Guard, that is the PEC in USA. In the Philippines is the Philippine Coast Guard. Okay, so that's good. Thank you for clapping your hands. Okay.
I like it, I love it,
Thank
I
you.
want some more of it.
Okay, so that is their reports in taking action. In U.S. Coast Guard observed the operational risk readiness of fixed local firefighting system during inspection. So water supply valves were set in close position. So deficiency na yan because hindi na ready. Okay, number two, systems were found in manual instead of automatic mode. So, hindi naka-automatic yung fixed fire system. So, this is a good app. Okay. So, you have just put in the checklist. So, input some ship's name and DC detention for the PC, and we have also here the checklist. Okay, you can create one. You input your name of ships. Okay, you just click here and you just type whatever ship's name. Let's say MERS, that one, MERS ships, it could be. So it's just only a trial version. So it's very easy to use, and if you are a maritime student, you know how to fill up this one. You don't need to fill up, but at least you have to know what are the important things. You can save it. Okay, so there are a lot of entry. Okay, documents. You can also induct documents, crew certificates. Then also that one, manuals. Okay, you just click whatever for you makes you interest. Okay, so view edit checklist. You can also delete and send checklist. So this is in the management subject. So very informative. So This is my video for my student how to use these apps. Okay, thank you very much for seeing this tutorial. We are very happy to teach you, and you can ask me anything. Thank you very much, and see you on next tutorial. Okay, thank you.